I'm the Journal Sentinel's Carol Deptolla. Although the new Aaron Rodgers Ryan Braun restaurant in Brookfield, 812, hasn't been open long enough for a full review, I wanted to stop in to gather a first impression at this very busy restaurant. Some might expect a sports bar atmosphere given the Wisconsin sports royalty involved, but that element is understated with just their photos and jerseys in the bar. Some more memorabilia will be displayed in small dining rooms. The main dining room, however, pays tribute to the farm and to Wisconsin. Diners who were hoping for a sports bar would be happy with the Brawny Burger, an excellent thick burger with caramelized onion and smoked Gouda on a pretzel bun. But 812 mostly has entrees with broad appeal and distinctive touches, like the wood-grilled pork chop with grain mustard spätzle and braised red cabbage. Prime steaks are prepared over the wood grill, too. Save room for dessert. There are a couple of small pies that can serve, too, like the Dutch apple with streusel and vanilla ice cream, and a chocolate dessert that incorporates chocolate 8 ways, including white and dark chocolate mousse. Read more about 812 in Friday's Milwaukee Journal Sentinel and at jsonline.com. For News Radio 620 WTMJ, I'm Carol Deptolla.